Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So if you do not know me, I'm Ria and I make videos on English literature and language. The topic I'm going to discuss today is a topic many of my students say that they find very difficult. That is the theory Marxism. So, Marxism has come into being in 1848 after the publication of Communist Manifesto by Karl Marx. So, the question is why this theory is so difficult to understand? Because this is a theory which has been there for a long time. Like since 1848 till today, Marxism has gone through a huge evaluation by many thinkers. Many thinkers have come and they evaluated certain aspects of Marxism. They have introduced some new concepts. And that is why this has become a bulk of theory which has become quite difficult to understand. So today I am going to give a very brief introduction to Marxism and talk about the basic tenets of Marxism only. So the Marxism, like how has it begun? So in 1789, we all know French Revolution has taken place. And French Revolution established capitalistic form of governance, and Marxism has come as a reaction to this capitalistic form of governance. Now, Marxism has a few ideas. First of all, we need to understand that it is a materialistic theory. It looks at human society through material perspectives. Materials means wealth, money, land, etc. So it doesn't talk about nature. It doesn't talk about the effects of revolution on human beings. It doesn't even talk about the religious perspective. So it believes that the changes and the revolution in the society can only be possible by the materialistic forces. So Marxism's one of the basic concept is class struggle. The society has been divided into two kinds of people who have one kind of people who have a lot of power and lot of resources, and the another kind of people who do not have resources, thus do not have the power. So there has been a continuous struggle between these two classes. The people who do not have the resources and power, they try to gain the resources and power by fighting those who have it. And thus a change will come when these people would achieve that power and resources. So the society changes through a continuous class struggle. Another concept of Marxism is the exploitation of the laborers. Now, exploitation of the laborers, for that Marx has used one word, that is alienation of the laborers. Now, what is that? Suppose a person, a worker has made a thing. Then after finishing making that thing, that person hands it over to the owner of that thing. And how much the thing the person has made, the value of that thing has been decided by how much the profit the owner would make. Now, if the person needs to buy that thing, he has to go to market and buy it from the owner. And if anyone wants to know who has made that thing, that person just knows the name of the company or the name of the owner. That person doesn't get to know about the worker. Thus, it is a dehumanization of the worker, and the worker has been alienated. So Marx was against it. Another concept of Marxism is that the concept of base and superstructure. Base is the modes of production in a society. And superstructure is the reflection of the base of, that means the modes of productions. Another important concept of Marxism is that Marxism believes that a rich and a content society can be created if the wealth, if the materials of the society can be distributed among all the members of the society equally. So the equal distribution of wealth. So Marxism went into its peak in 1917 during the Russian Revolution. And after the dissolution of the USSR, Marxism saw its very low time. There has been a writer, Francis Fukuyama, who has written a book, The End of Civilization, The End of History, the Last and the Last Man. So there he said that after the dissolution of USSR, capitalism has been established as the best form of government, and now nobody would question that there will be no war. So this is the end of history. So there has been another writer, uh, Samuel Huntington. He said that no, we are not the last men, and this is not the end of history. Now the society will see the clashes of civilization. He has written a book, The Clashes of Civilization. So thus we see Marxism's basic concepts are the class struggle, society changes through class struggle, the concept of the exploitation of the laborers and the alienation of the laborers, the concept of base and superstructure, and the equal distribution of wealth. In my future videos, I would try to delve deeper into this theory. So for that, keep an eye to my channel and I will see you. Till that time, take care. Bye-bye.